Hello everyone and welcome back to Hannah's Happy Home. In this video, I'm going to be giving our pantry a complete makeover. It's always been my dream to have a walk-in pantry like this and to have it completely beautifully organized with organizational containers and baskets. So that is what we are going to do today. We are going to completely organize this pantry. Right now, I don't have too much organization going on in here. Pretty much everything is just stacked on the shelves. So we're going to get this all cleared out, get all of our organizational containers together, and get this organized and get it looking like a dream pantry. First, I'm going to show you some of the new items that I bought for the pantry. These three collapsible baskets are from Lowe's. They're from the Allen and Roth line. You can find them over where they have like the curtains and home decoration type stuff. And then these two items here are from At Home, this little step stool, the black basket, and then I got some of these airtight food storage containers off of Amazon. Two different boxes of those. I really love the lids that they have on here. They're super easy to open. They seal up nicely. I'll have links for as many things down below as I can. And then these organizational containers that are stacked here along the wall, I already had these on hand here around the house and I'm going to use some of them in the pantry. So the first thing we're going to do is completely clear everything out of the pantry. So I just took everything off of the shelves and everything that I wanted to put back in the pantry, I stacked it all on the dining room table, and then items that I wanted to find a spot for in our kitchen cabinets, I put those over on the kitchen counter. Once I had everything cleared off of these shelves, I went and got my duster and dusted all of the shelves, starting with the very top shelf, and worked my way all the way down. And then I vacuumed the floor in here, and then I went and got my cleaner and a rag and cleaned off these shelves. Before you start organizing your pantry, it's always good to clear everything out and just start with a fresh, clean space. We do keep our microwave in the pantry just because there's not really a spot for it in the kitchen and we don't use it that often, but the microwave that we had was a little bit too big for the pantry. It kind of stuck out past the shelf, so I got this smaller microwave from Walmart. It fits perfectly here on the pantry shelf and it works perfect for what we use it for. Like I said, we don't use the microwave very often, but just to heat up some leftovers sometimes, so the smaller one works perfect. I'm starting by putting a few things on this top shelf, just some boxes of some appliances that we have in the kitchen, and now it's time to start organizing the food. I got this can organizer a few months back off of Amazon and it's worked out awesome. It can hold a lot of cans. It's great for on the shelf in your pantry or in your kitchen cabinets. I'll have a link for it down below. It just barely fits on these pantry shelves. It's a perfect fit. And then I have these large glass jars with the black lids. These are from, let's see, I think the biggest one I got at Ross, and then the two smaller ones are from Walmart. You can find these at a lot of different places. I found them on Amazon as well, so I will link those down below. Okay, so now I'm going to get all of these food storage containers out of the boxes, get all of the wrappers out of these, and get them all washed with some nice hot soapy water before we fill these up with food. Okay, so the first containers we're going to fill up is these 4 cereal containers from Amazon. I love that these have the grip on the one side so they're easy to pick up and pour. They've got the snap-on lids, and then you've also got the little circle opening there at the front for when you just want to pour out the cereal into your bowl, which is very handy. And one of the boxes of storage containers came with a 24-pack of chalkboard stickers with a little chalkboard pen, so that was very handy. I was able to use all of the stickers on all of the containers, and these do wipe off really easily, so you can change the writing on these every time you go to the grocery store if you want to switch things up. These were all the storage containers in the second box. I'm doing pasta in the bigger ones, black beans, raisins, we've got some brown sugar, powdered sugar. I'm sure that once I've lived with this organized pantry for a little while, I might switch around what stuff I keep in what containers, but this is what I've got going on for right now that we're going to try. Once I had everything in these containers, I added chalkboard labels to all of them. These were so handy to have that I didn't have to go and make any labels on my computer. If you don't buy these storage containers and you want some of these sticker chalkboard labels, I'm sure that you can find them on Amazon or Walmart, Target. If I can find some on Amazon, I'll definitely put a link down below because they're very handy to have when you're organizing your pantry. these little folding baskets from Lowe's are so neat. These are 10 by 10 by 12, I believe is the size of these. And if I can find them online, I'll put a link down below, but they're just really handy if you aren't using them. You can fold them up and put them in storage a lot easier. Okay, so now I'm starting to get all of this organized here into the pantry, and those black organizational containers that I have on the left shelves over there, those are from the Dollar Tree. If you're looking to organize your pantry on a budget, definitely go and check out the Dollar Tree because they've got a whole aisle with nothing but organization products. You can find everything that you would need to organize your pantry on a budget. In that big, large plastic container on the floor that's on wheels, I keep all of my pinto beans in there because I buy those in the 25-pound bag from a local farm. And that large container on wheels is from Amazon. I'll put a link for it down below. Once we get the stucco on the outside of this house finished, I would like to put up a little clothesline right off of the back door to hang up these clothing items that we don't want to put in the dryer so we don't have to keep on drying them on our kitchen chairs. So when I was at Walmart, I did grab a couple more storage containers because I wanted to have a few more large storage containers. They have these big ones at Walmart for a really great price. They've got the same type of lid on them as my other ones. I love how this pantry turned out. Everything is perfectly organized. It makes me so happy to walk in here, and there still is so much shelf space in here. I can store a lot more things in here in the future. If you like how the pantry turned out, then give this video a thumbs up. Like I said, I will try and link as much down below as I can. And thank you all so much for watching. If you're new, I would love to have you subscribed. Just click that red subscribe button down below and the bell beside of it to get notified every time we post a new video. And I will see you in a couple days with a brand new video. Bye.